Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search voicemail app from here. We'll see. Click on voicemail, and if you want to fix this problem, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset that mobile network setting and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.